the heart of dense Indian wilderness, a captivating tale unfolds as the peaceful nesting site of a pair of Indian Grey Hornbills becomes the epicenter of a surprising and unexpected takeover. Just as the Hornbills were preparing to embark on the journey of nurturing new life, their cozy nest high in the treetops faced an unforeseen challenge. Enter the flamboyant and audacious Parrot, a vibrant character with a penchant for the extraordinary, seizing the opportunity presented by the vacant nest. The parrot swoops in with colorful plumage and a spirited demeanor, turning what was once a symbol of hornbill hope into a stage of avian drama. As the parrot transforms the nest into its own vibrant heaven, witness the clash of personalities between these two bird species. The hornbill, known for their regal and reserved nature, find themselves displaced by the lively and energetic parrot, leading to a series of comical interactions and unexpected alliances. This short film captures the essence of natural world's unpredictability, where even the most carefully laid plans can be disrupted by the whims of the wild. Follow the unfolding saga as the Indian Grey Hornbills and the Parrot navigate this shared space, each bringing its own unique charm to the intricate tapestry of the life in the treetops. Will the Hornbill reclaim their rightful home, or will the Parrot establish a new era of vibrant occupancy in this captivating canopy? Join me on this adventure as I explore the fascinating dynamics of nature in all its colorful glory. Stay tuned for many more. Keep subscribing.